Do you want to open presents?
Yeah.
Do you want to open presents from Jen? Look at. What is that? What's on yours, Charlie? You got a. What's that? Is that a bowling set? Can you say thanks, Jen? Can you say thanks, Jen? What did you get? What is on your backpack, Lily? Charlie, what do you have? Dinosaurs? That's from Jen and Grandma Pam. Can you say thanks, Grandma Pam? Thanks, Jen. A phone?
I'll open it.
You want me to open that?
Yes. I'll open that.
Look at.
Yeah.
It lights up. Oh, what are you doing? Taking the stuffing out? Can you dance to that, Char? A heart. Say thank you, Jen. Thank you, Grandma. We have to open those and make them for Paige and Brianna for tomorrow. For Valentine's. Can you say Valentine's? You know what else we got? Look at. Look at the big coloring books. The Chuggington, the Choo Choo. Look at, you got another backpack too. Thundercats. Lily, you got Dora ballet slippers. These are what you dance in. What do you want? Open it? What do you have there, Charlie?
Truck.
A truck?
Yes. Papa, this.
You want me to open that?
Yes.
Yes.
This.
Okay, look at me and say thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Jen.
Book.
What is that?
Book.
A book? What's that, Lily? Oh, you okay?
Book.
Did you slip?
A book.
Okay. Oh, those are Band-Aids. Dora Band-Aids. Okay, Mama help. Say bye to the camera.